Hey you guys, it's me TZ here with another video. I'm playing UNOLNGO 2. Yeah, let's try. Hey you guys, it's me TZ here with another video. I'm playing UNOLNGO 2. Let's hop into the game and let's go. After my kidnapping and me waking up in this place, I explored its lair and was led to a new area. As I move forward, I can't help but wonder, is there actually a way out, or is it going to keep punishing me with its lessons until I die? I guess I'm about to find out. Where am I? Is that the DUOLINGO bird? What's up, gang? Fluent or flawed? Your choice. No loitering? What's up, gang?
Hi, I'm glad you made it here. Welcome to more language lessons. They call me the hall monitor around these parts. And I better not catch you outside of class.
You ain't gonna do
Please
nothing.
choose a class in 10, 9,
But sometimes you need to learn not to try people, you know?
6, 5, 4,
I guess this is the first class, right?
1.
I'm learning German. Vogel. That's bird. Okay, let's look around.
Deer.
Alright, rat is deer.
Owl.
Eel. Eel. That's owl.
Dog.
Hud is dog.
Bird.
Vogel. I'm pretty sure I need a wheel for that. What's this paper? Cell code. Okay, got that. Hopefully I can remember that. So 1685887 1591 5885.
I want to whisper something in your ear.
Alright, Brody, you need to chill. How about we try again? You can try to rig the test, but you can't fake the fluency. I don't know where Brody at. Alright. So cells. What was that cell? Oh, there goes the cog we need, maybe. For the thing. Was it 5885? 1985? 1895? Okay, I'll probably have to go back for the password. One 1591. I was right about one of them. 5885. 1591. Uh 1591. Let's go. That's how you do it. To whoever's still out there, I made it down here deeper. There are more of them here. More birds, more people, more lessons. They've moved me to a different block. I don't know why. I think it's because I won't follow their twisted rules. I tried to escape again today. I have to. Last time I tried, I got caught because of some old lady at the exit trying to make me move like me. They caught us both. Darn her. This time, I won't let that happen again. No mistake, I'm taking a cog from one of them. The teaching machine without it. You can't reach the exit. I'll hide it here in the cell. Maybe that makes me selfish, maybe even cruel, but I don't care. I will get out. I won't let anyone else ruin it for me again. Jenny. Wow, trying to sell the team? Well, guess what? I got the cog now.
Let me see you beg.
Get in. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't know where this leads, but send me to somewhere great. Where am I? Oh, I'm over here. Okay. Just learning and teaching. Teaching and learning. So, pretty sure this is the exercise. HUD. I'm pretty sure that is dog. Oh, okay. I'm pretty sure. Bird? I'm pretty sure the next one is red. Is that deer?
Deer.
Yeah, it's deer. Oh dear. I think I just passed this test. Actually, where's the deer? Oh, it's right here. 1 out of 4. Alright, where I'm going next? You don't see me. Can I open these other cells? 6. What's 6 go to? Oh, that don't work. That's creepy. What is this? What is this? Finally, I've released that open some keypad. Oh my god. What's this supposed to mean? I'm going to try and make a move on the cop cell tonight, but I need to figure out the cell password first. I'm not gonna remember this. Hold up. Apparently, how am I supposed to pass this? Hold up. Am I dumb? Is that the passcode? 66444. Oh my god. So the password is nice. 6 times 2 is 12. Hold up. Am I dumb? Let me get my piece of paper real quick. So 6 times 2 is 12. 12. 6. 6. Alright, watch this. Brody don't see me. Alright. 12. 12. 6, 6. Okay, I'm dumb. I will get you. Alright, do I add them all together? Passcode is nice. So 6 times 2 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. That is 6. 6. So nice. Oh, wait a minute. Is this 6, 4, 2, 3? Six, 4, 2, 3. Okay, forget that. What up, Brody? Can I chill in your class?
Welcome to the next part of your lessons. If you do well in this test, you'll be fine. But if you don't, I guess you'll see what happens. So please do your best.
Man, you ain't gonna do
Feel
nothing.
free to look around before taking a seat.
Can I leave? I don't want to be here. Oh, it's locked.
I think it's now time for you to take a seat now.
Hey, what you gonna do about
Sit
it?
down. I won't tell you again.
Hey, you ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't gonna do
Are you
nothing.
gonna sit down?
I think
Am
I think I
gonna
should
have
sit
to
down.
Come there myself.
Rosa? Oh, that means Rose. You're a little bit too close, buddy. Back up.
Pain is temporary.
Did she just clap the heck at me?
Skills are forever.
Bella.
I'm gonna slap your grandma like that if you continue to fail. Too slow. Whoa.
You need to
That
chill,
one
gang.
looks like it hurts.
Drum.
At this point, I'm going to erase your entire bloodline.
I passed somehow. Shit, I take the win. Still passed. She may have knocked a couple teeth out, but guess what? I'm back. Speaking of back, where am I going? Going this way? Where am I? Where does this lead to? Let's see what's cracking.
Well, it's sad to have to see you go now.
Oh my god!
I guess we could say that you have no brains.
I didn't know they were strapped up like that. That sounds crazy work. Me personally, that would never happen to me. I did get kind of pushed around by that other bird, but
It breaks
she was too
my
strong for her own
heart
good.
to have to do this. You look like a smartass. Clearly not smart enough to know when to learn.
Dang, she didn't even look back. She did that with action. Like I said, me personally, that would never happen to me. Where I'm at. Oh, it's my turn, isn't it? Japanese?
Well, you see what happens to failures around here. You're not gonna disappoint me too, are you?
No. Joke's on you. I'm an expert in anime. So that being said, I know a little bit of Japanese. See? Watch me, boys and girls. Watch how good I am. Ninjin. Oh, I know that. Carrot. I do not know that. So I'm just guessing. That look like fries and potatoes. Fries. Park. Alright, I'm not fluent in Japanese as I thought.
Wow, you don't look so good.
What makes you say that? Was it the bomb that hit me in my face? Or was it the backhanded slaps from that other bird? Let me get that round 2 in there. Japanese, perfect.
I keep forgetting how much of a pussy you are. No wonder you have 9 lives.
She been talking a lot of smacks. Alright, that's carrot. That's wood. That's fries. It wasn't this. I know it's not cup. So that's bean. Bell? I still passed. Still passed.
Looks like you survived. What a cockroach.
I'm a good cockroach though. I'm a best cucaracha, you know. Alright. So I'm pretty sure my last class, I'm pretty sure I have one more class to go.
Wow, you actually survived.
What's this room? It's French. Ooh la oui. I'm very good at French myself.
You're not in class. Oh, that's a mistake.
Hey, back away. I'm in class. Oh God, what is that? So I'm pretty sure this is the exercise. I don't know what that. Why are you crawling on the floor? Quit being weird, man. All
When
right.
I catch you outside, I'm going to make you scream in Spanish.
All right. So. All right. So while looking at their exercise. Get this.
Group B.
UP. What does that say? Bachi? That's cow. Bro, Brody needs to chill with that. Get out of here. Quit crawling on the floor and walk like a real man. Peppard? I know one of them said cow. Wait a minute, did I pass that? Oh, I passed it. All right, what's this one?
Group B.
Gucci. All right, that's penguin. All right, got that one.
Let me catch you outside. I dare you.
What's this one? A roost. Bear. I already got that one. What's this one? Chevelle. Horse. Where's the horse on here? Alright, got the horse. Rabbit. Let's go. See, I'm very good at this game. Let me out. Victory walk. I'm out of here. Actually, what is this? Is that a key? Correct the sentence required.
Skipping lessons?
Oh no, bro. I'm out of here. See ya.
My little cockroach.
Oh. I thought I won that. Bro, I won.
Believe it or not.
Why y'all cheating?
You had it in you.
Oh, that's a big bird. That's a big bird. Hey, Uno, here. Looks like you missed your lesson. I've been really busy. Why message me so late, though? You know what they say about the early bird. Actually, I don't know, nor do I care. It's like that? Yes, actually. Alright, bet. Well, I'll be seeing you soon, then. You'll be my first ever. First ever what? What are you talking about? Did I become one of them? I'm one of them. I'm one of them. You know what? This was a good game. Not gonna lie. But let's see if we can get us another ending.
Ever since.
So basically, I forgot the password, which was in the teacher's desk. Like if you go over here and stuff, I found it in the desk, and the other one was in the Japanese room. So for me to get the next ending, I had to get this door open. So 6444633. Did I do that wrong? 6444633. All right, there we go. And oh my God, I'm not gonna remember this. Hope is not lost. Think the missing word is "you'll," but the issue is that it's in German. Sentence machine. Oh my God. So hata ukipuka hikima yo akufuta. Oh my God, I am 100% cooked. Lesson: escape owl, eternal kidnap caught. Huh. I need to figure this out somehow. Kidnapped lesson. Caught eternal owl. Oh, I'm too stupid for this. How am I going to get past this? I hear Brody stomping. Alright, so let's go to the word machine. I need to find where Brody's at. Where's he at?
Let me tell you a French poem.
Alright, so I need to type in the right sentence. And I took a picture of it with my phone. So it will. Is that it? Is he coming over here?
At this point, I'm going to erase your entire bloodline.
Rats.
Silent halls, just how I like them. Unlike your terrible pronunciation.
Oh yeah! Let's go! Get me out of here! A flashlight? A flashlight? Are you serious? What am I supposed to do with this? Oh! I actually appreciate the flashlight. I'm out of here. Am I free? Did I do it? A Tesla! Get me out of here.
Somewhere. Well, you're gonna have to go through me.
Get out of here. I did it. I did it.